If you've been paying attention to the US tech market lately, you may have noticed something unusual happening across devices that used to live in separate worlds. Lights that work with speakers from other brands. Thermostats that connect to hubs they weren't designed for. TVs that pair with accessories outside their own ecosystem. Even smartphones and laptops are becoming increasingly open to accessories, chargers, and platforms made by competitors. This shift didn't happen overnight, but today it's clearer than ever. Tech companies are moving toward true cross-brand compatibility, and it's reshaping the way Americans build and use their digital homes. So why is this happening now? Why are companies that once locked their customers into closed ecosystems suddenly opening the doors and embracing interoperability? The answer begins with one simple truth. Consumers demanded it. For years, people were frustrated by devices that wouldn't talk to each other unless they came from the same brand. A smart doorbell that didn't work with a smart display. A light bulb incompatible with a security system. A charger that only worked for a single device. As homes filled with more gadgets, these annoyances piled up. Customers wanted technology that simply worked together without restrictions. That pressure forced the industry to evolve. The first major driver behind this shift is consumer exhaustion with fragmented ecosystems. People don't want 6 different apps to control 6 different devices. They don't want to remember brand-specific commands, unique hubs, or incompatible accessories. They want harmony. They want simplicity. And they want freedom to choose products based on features, not forced loyalty. The companies that recognized this early gained trust. The companies that resisted fell behind. Cross-brand compatibility became a competitive advantage, not a compromise. Another reason behind this movement is the rise of unified smart home standards, especially Matter, the new connectivity standard developed by dozens of major tech companies. For years, devices communicated using different protocols and languages: Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, proprietary systems, and more. Matter changes that by creating a universal language for smart home products. If a device supports Matter, it can connect to any Matter-compatible ecosystem regardless of the brand. That means a light from brand A can talk to a hub from brand B and be controlled by a speaker from brand C. This level of cooperation, once unimaginable, is now becoming an industry expectation. But the push toward interoperability isn't limited to the smart home. It's happening across consumer electronics. Charging is a perfect example. The switch to USB-C across smartphones, laptops, tablets, headphones, and power banks has created a new level of convenience. One cable for almost everything. Consumers love it because it reduces clutter and confusion. And companies have accepted it because supporting a shared standard ultimately reduces manufacturing complexity and boosts user satisfaction. Another major force behind this shift is competitive pressure. As the tech market becomes more crowded, brands can no longer rely solely on locking customers into their ecosystem. Instead, they must compete on quality, design, reliability, and innovation. Being open to cross-brand compatibility helps attract more users who aren't ready to commit entirely to a single platform. Offer flexibility, and consumers reward you. Ignore it, and they move on. Regulation also plays an increasingly important role. Around the world, governments are pressuring tech companies to adopt universal standards for charging ports, wireless protocols, repairability, and more. The US is now part of that trend. Regulators want consumers to have more freedom and fewer proprietary limitations. They want devices to last longer, work better together, and reduce electronic waste. Cross-brand compatibility aligns naturally with those goals. There's another piece of the story that's often overlooked. The explosion of smart home devices created a level of complexity the average consumer simply couldn't manage. When people buy gadgets that claim to be smart, they expect them to integrate seamlessly. But for years, buyers had to research which hub worked with which light, which speaker worked with which sensor, and which app controlled which device. That confusion harmed the industry and slowed adoption. Cross-brand compatibility eliminates those barriers, making smart homes easier to set up and more appealing to mainstream consumers. This shift also helps companies reduce customer service headaches. When products work across multiple ecosystems, support calls decrease. There are fewer complaints about incompatibility issues, fewer returns, and fewer negative reviews. Companies save money by reducing dependency on complicated proprietary systems and by leveraging universal connectivity standards that reduce friction for the end user. Another reason interoperability is growing is the rise of modular technology. Consumers want flexibility, the freedom to mix and match gadgets as their needs evolve. They might prefer one brand's camera, another brand's speaker, and a third brand's hub. Cross-brand compatibility allows them to build a system that fits their lifestyle instead of being forced into a single brand solution. Tech companies have realized that the more compatible their products are, the more likely customers are to continue expanding their setup, including buying additional products from the same brand. Cross-brand compatibility also fuels innovation. When products have to work across different ecosystems, companies are pushed to improve quality and efficiency, rather than hiding behind proprietary walls. Interoperability forces companies to compete on features, performance, design, and user experience, not exclusivity. And ultimately, that's good for consumers. There's also a psychological angle. Consumers don't want to feel trapped. They want control. They want to feel empowered to choose the best tool for the job, whether or not it matches the logo on their other devices. True compatibility gives them that freedom. And products that grant freedom tend to be more popular and trusted. Looking ahead, the push toward cross-brand compatibility will only grow stronger. Matter will expand into more categories, from appliances to sensors to household gadgets. Wireless charging standards will improve. Accessory ecosystems will become more open. Even car tech is moving in this direction, with universal standards for infotainment, wireless audio, and charging. The days of devices living in isolated silos are ending. In the future, consumers won't think about compatibility at all, because everything will just work. And that's the goal. Simpler homes, fewer apps, less clutter, more choice, more reliability. A smart ecosystem shaped by the user, not by the brand. The push toward true cross-brand compatibility marks a major turning point in American tech. It signals a shift from closed systems to open cooperation, from restrictions to freedom. And in the long run, it may be one of the most important changes happening in the tech world today.